Good afternoon, children. Now we are going to see the lesson. Not lesson, it's a paragraph. Till the last year, we have practiced to write only writing the question answers. But this year, somewhat you want to develop, no? So that I have given to write paragraph. Okay, I have given to write a paragraph on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So the first topic is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You know already who is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Is it not? Nehru. You know about Nehru. See, who was he? He was a first Prime Minister of India. He was a lover of the children. Then also he was a freedom fighter. He progressed our India in many fields. Okay, he was a good leader. So about him we are going to see. Okay, children. So let's see from the lesson set what is given in page number 76. Page number 76 we have given the paragraph. Okay, let's see what is given in that paragraph. Before that, I want to tell you how the question will be asked. Okay, here the question is, I tapped in top now. See there, Prashna. What is Prashna? Question. Okay, the question will be like this. See, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru के शीर्षक पर एक अनुच्छेद लिखिए. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You know the meaning of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It was a name. Okay. The Shirshak. What is Shirshak? What is Shirshak? Topic. Title. Okay. The topic of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. एक अनुच्छेद लिखिए. अनुच्छेद. What is अनुच्छेद? Paragraph. Okay. लिखिए means write. Just you want to write a paragraph on the topic of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Like this, the question will be asked in the test. Okay, it's clear? Okay, let's go into the lesson. Let's go into the paragraph. See, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the topic you want to write first. Then we are going to write about the points. Okay, see. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री थे. वे एक महान नेता एवं स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे. उनका जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 ईसाई में इलाहाबाद में हुआ था. उनके पिता मोतीलाल नेहरू और माता स्वरूपरानी थे. इंग्लैंड जाकर वे वकील बनकर लौटे. See, now we are going to see the first 3 lines first. Okay, only there are 6 or 7 points in a paragraph, so it is very easy to write. I will explain now. Just point by point you try to learn and write without seeing. Okay, it will easy to you. See the first one. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री थे. What is the meaning of प्रथम? First. Okay, what is the meaning of प्रथम? First. प्रधानमंत्री. You know the meaning प्रधानमंत्री. Is it not? Prime Minister. So, हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री. हमारे देश, our countries. Okay, our countries first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of our country. Okay, and then come to second point. वे एक महान नेता एवं स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे. वे एक महान नेता. What is महान नेता? He was a great leader. महान नेता means great leader. He was a great leader. Evam, and. What is the meaning of evam? And. Also, he was Swatantrata Senani the. Swatantrata Senani. That means he was a freedom fighter. Okay, he fought against with the with Gandhiji and other leaders to the Britishers. இல்லையா, பிரிட்டிஷாருக்கு எதிர்க்க அவங்களே என்ன பண்ணாங்க, ஃபைட் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ फ्रीडम फाइटर ही was also. ओके, उनका जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 ईसाई में इलाहाबाद में हुआ था. See, in this point we have to learn how to say the year in Hindi. Okay, you should not read as it is 1889. Okay, you should not say in English. Just you have the habit of saying the year in Hindi also. Okay, whenever you are getting chance. See, here the year is 1889 given. Okay, see, ones, tens, thousand, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So in thousands place there is one. So 1000. Okay, 1000. Then in the hundreds place there is 8. For 100 what is in Hindi? 100. Okay, for 100 what is in Hindi? 100. So ought now. 1000 ought now 89. For 89 in Hindi, Nawasi. So it's clear, children? For 1889 how to say? 1000 889 में उनका जन्म हुआ. Okay, where he took bath? Where did he take bath? Allahabad. Okay, Allahabad means, Allahabad. He took birth in the place of Allahabad. In which year? 1889 ईसाई में. What is the short form of E? Isai. Okay, you should not learn E meme. How to? What is the abbreviation of it? Isai. So when you learn, you should say the full form of E. So how to read that point? उनका जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 ईसाई में इलाहाबाद में हुआ था. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. उनके पिता मोतीलाल नेहरू और माता स्वरूपा रानी थे. उनके पिता मोतीलाल नेहरू, his father is मोतीलाल नेहरू और his mother was Swarupa Rani. Okay, his mother and father मोतीलाल नेहरू and स्वरूपा रानी. इंग्लैंड जाकर वे वकील बनकर लौटे. Okay, after his primary studies and higher education, he went to England. Okay, इंग्लैंड जाकर वे वकील बनकर लौटे. He became a lawyer and returned to India. Okay, वकील बनकर लौटे. लौटे means returned. So it's clear the first 3 points. Again I'm reading. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री थे. वे एक महान नेता एवं स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे. उनका जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 ईसाई में इलाहाबाद में हुआ था. उनके पिता मोतीलाल नेहरू और माता स्वरूपा रानी थे. इंग्लैंड जाकर वे वकील बनकर लौटे. Now we are going to see the next 3 points. Okay, 3 lines. See, after returning from England, he got married with Kamala Nehru. Okay, Kamala. He got married with Kamala. So उनका विवाह कमला नेहरू से हुआ. उन्होंने स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में भाग लिया. उन्होंने स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में भाग लिया. वे कई बार जेल गए. प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में उन्होंने भारत को प्रगति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर किया. नेक्स्ट 27 मई 1964 ईसाई को उनका निधन हो गया. उनका जन्मदिन 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है. सी उन्होंने स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में भाग लिया. Okay, when we were under the control of Britishers, many leaders started to fight against the Britishers. So one among the person is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So he left the practice of lawyer. Okay, he left the practice of lawyer. He took part in Swatantrata Andolan name. What is Swatantrata Andolan? Freedom fighting. In freedom struggle. Okay, Swatantrata Andolan. स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में भाग लिया. He took part in freedom struggle. वे कई बार जेल गए. So that he had to go to jail many times. See, as taking part of freedom fighting, he had to go to jail he had to go to jail many times. Okay, प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में उन्होंने भारत को प्रगति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर किया. After getting freedom, he became a first prime minister. He was elected as a first prime minister of India. So as the prime minister of India, in the role of prime minister, okay, प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में in the role of प्राइम मिनिस्टर उन्होंने भारत को प्रगति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर किया. उन्होंने भारत को प्रगति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर किया. What is अग्रसर किया? Prosecuted. Okay, he prosecuted our India in the path of pragati. What is pragati? Progressing. Okay, the progression path. He took our India well. Okay, then 27th May. What is 27 in Hindi? What is 27 in Hindi? See, 27 in Hindi. 27. Okay. May 27 1964 ईसाई में. For 1964 1000 for 64 in Hindi 64. Okay, so 1964 ईसाई को उनका निधन हो गया. What is निधन? Death. Okay, he passed away in the year of 1964 27th May. उनके जन्मदिन 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है. हिज बर्थडे, उनका जन्मदिन 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है. As Children's Day, we are celebrating his birthday. So these are the points given in our paragraph. So study well. Okay, but oral is not enough. You want to have the writing practice also. Understand, children? Shall I read the last 3 points again? See, उनका विवाह कमला नेहरू से हुआ. उन्होंने स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में भाग लिया. वे कई बार जेल गए. प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में उन्होंने भारत को प्रगति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर किया. 27 मई 1964 ईसाई को उनका निधन हो गया. उनके जन्मदिन 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है. I hope you all understood the paragraph. Okay, right, you must have the writing practice, then only you can write easily the paragraph. Next, in the second term we will developed as to write a short essay. Okay, so now itself we start learning the paragraph to write and see without mistakes. That is more important. Then understand and write, don't mug up. Okay children. Okay, thank you children.